Hello, my YouTube friends and visitors. Thanks for stopping by. Let's get right into it. Now, I'll be talking about boot camps, laws, and how to make money right now or right this instant. On the boot camp and laws, I'm quoting only what my coach, Misha Wilson, is saying and have taught me. I'll also be adding another form of content, such as how to wash your clothes the right way, or how to clean your house, or how to fix a hole in the wall, etc. But you have to comment below to let me know if you want this or not. What I'll start off doing is adding them to these slides, or I can do another channel, but you have to tell me. Now I'm starting a new journey on growing my website to get more subscribers and views. And guess what? I'm taking you with me. Whether it be 1, 2, or more activities I'm doing, I'll be adding them to these videos of how to make money fast and simple. So be on the lookout for this. Now let's get right to the boot camps. You learned about why premium value affiliate marketing is by far the fastest and most direct path to profits. And we alluded to the ultimate lifestyle system, which we'll touch further on more here today. For now, I want to talk briefly about a critical distinction that all successful people understand, and which most successful people in the world live by 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you recall when we covered the 80-20 principle, we talked about how 20% of your activities will account for 80% of your results. 20% of traffic campaigns will be most profitable and thus account for 80% of your leads. 20% of your leads will be most responsive and thus account for 80% of your customers. And then 20% of your customers will end up being your best customers and thus account for 80% of your profits. The most successful people in the world understands the 80-20 principle and then work only on the 20% of activities that will account for 80% of the results. Hence, they get more done in less time and create larger level of results. They work smart, not hard. And the people who reach the pinnacle of success, that elusive 1% of the population, do one thing differently than everyone else. They spend all of their time building systems that do 20% of the work that will account for 80% of their results in 100% automated fashion. They make money whether they're at the gym, sleeping in, traveling the world, or hanging out at the beach, because their systems are running 24 hours a day, 7 days per week, working for them on autopilot. To prove my point, let's recap and take a deeper look at Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant that's listed below. So let's recap. 95% of the wealth, who are the business owners and investors, resides on the right side of the cash flow quadrant. You can see that down here below, business owners and investors, and they're on the right hand side. While 5% of the wealth, which are the employees and self-employed, resides on the left side, employees and self-employed. While 95% of the population resides on the left side, which are the employees and self-employed, while 5% of the wealth population resides on the right side, who are the business owners and investors, down there on the right side. What you need to do is watch this video over and over again until you can understand what I'm saying, and it'll be better if you go ahead on and purchase the Super Affiliate Network for $1 just to get started. Okay, let's continue on. Now, let's talk about the make money right now. You can watch movie previews, YouTube, and like videos. Do you like watching videos in your free time? Now you can get paid for watching videos, including movie previews, news, celebrity videos, and all kinds of other videos. Sites like Swagbucks ask you to watch certain videos and like them. You have to watch for a certain number of minutes, which you'll be told ahead of time. Excuse me. You can earn over $200 a month, and the earnings do vary. You'll earn Swagbucks for watching, points that can be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal. You can get $5 just for signing up. You can become a virtual assistant. Work for someone from home. Virtual assistants, which are VAs, can do everything from checking emails and making travel plans to handling internet research or working for their small business. High-end earners can command $50 to $100 an hour. Some reputable sites are Zirtual, and Upwork. Read how to become a virtual assistant and work from home. Tutoring. Give private tuition classes at your home and use your SAT knowledge. Choose your schedule. If you have some imperative routine task, or rather go online tutoring and earn $20 per hour on Chegg Tutors. You can take part in an online focus group. Participate in an online focus group like Pro Opinion and get paid through a check, gift card, or PayPal deposit. You can examine search engines. At LeapForce, you can evaluate search engines by conducting researches on predefined queries, analyzing them, and providing feedback for search engine results by their usage and relevance. You can maintain fan pages. Fan pages on Twitter or Facebook require people to connect with them. Log on to Fiverr and get jobs for maintaining social pages. Online juror. Do you love Law and Order? I know my pastor and first lady does. Ever wanted to sit in a courtroom and decide if someone is innocent or guilty? E-jury provides an attorney the opportunity to pre-try the case before it goes to trial in front of an actual jury at the courthouse. E-jurors review facts and answer the questions, and click a submit verdict button upon completion. For each verdict rendered, e-jurors are paid $5 to $10 depending on the length of the case. You certainly won't get rich serving as an e-juror, but just one case a week would probably pay for your internet access. Calligraphy. Do you do hand lettering for invitation cards, wedding cards, and other stationery? Use your favorite font combinations and start off with your calligraphy adventure. Look at the Etsy calligraphy section. You can rent your parking space. If you don't use your parking spot during your working hours, consider renting it out on Craigslist. Start a side business. Become an online personal stylist, or the many other options to start something on the side. It will take effort, but there are many different routes you can go. You can work with existing companies like Avon, Jamberry, and Stitch Fix, which will help you get started, or find a need in your community that might need addressing. Do local companies need your accounting skills? Yes, we are through. We have come to the end of this video. So what I need you to do is click or copy this link. If you copy the link, open up a new web browser and paste it in there and look at it so you can learn more about the Super Affiliate Network and pay $1 just to get started. I need you to click my picture to subscribe. I need you to like my video and also share it. Okay? Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.